everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting painting tutorial for you. We'll be painting a stunning watercolor anemone from start to finish. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, this demo will help you master the delicate beauty of anemone. So grab your brushes and let's get started. First, let's sketch a simple anemone. Start by drawing a circle for the center, then add the petals around it. For demo purpose, I will use pencil to draw lines more clearly. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Once you are happy with your sketch, use a rubber eraser to lightly tap on the pencil lines. This will make them faint enough to blend seamlessly with our watercolor. If you have any questions about sketching, feel free to ask in the comments below. Now let's mix our colors. Use a spray water bottle to wet your paints. Today I will be using metallic red light and ultramarine to create a beautiful purple. For today's demo, I will be using two Chinese watercolor painting brushes. These brushes are perfect for creating delicate strokes and some details. First, we will wet the center area of the flower with clean water. This technique is crucial for achieving that soft, blended look. Once the water is no longer too reflective, we can start painting the center of the anemone. Use the intense, thick purple mixture we prepared. This will give our flower a rich, vibrant center. Don't hesitate to ask any questions you might have about this step. With a clean brush, apply water to the petals. This will help the color blend smoothly and create a natural gradient. Do you have any tips for wet-on-wet techniques? I'd love to hear them. Now let's apply color to the petals. Watch how the paint blends softly and naturally. Use different shades of purple with more reddish tones for the light area and bluish tones for the shadows. Make sure to use a more diluted color for the edges of the petals to keep them delicate and light. How are your petals turning out if you are painting along? Let me know in the comments below. Next, let's paint the last two petals and add some pattern lines for texture. The basic layering of our petals is now complete. Let's enhance the petals with more details to give them depth and dimension. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also please check out my other videos in my watercolor flower series for more beautiful blooms. What are your favorite color of anemone flowers? Let me know in the comments. Finally, let's add some leaves to our anemone. Mixed cobalt blue and yellow ochre, then add a touch of permanent green. This will give us a lovely natural green for the leaves. Apply the color using confident smooth strokes. If you have any questions about mixing greens, just ask. Thank you so much for painting with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more watercolor demos and tips. Don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. If you're interested in more flower paintings, be sure to check out my other video in the watercolor flower series. I love hearing from you, so leave a comment or ask any questions you have about today's tutorial. Happy painting, and I will see you in next video.